Good day everyone. Me and my partner will discuss some maintenance tools that may use in our ship on board. There are two types of maintenance tools. There is a hand tools and what we call power tools. Hand tools is the one who needs a manpower to use. Then the power tool is used by the use of electricity, air, or pressure, and gasoline. In power tools, there is also two types. The one is stationary tools, and the other one is the portable type. In the stationary tools, it may be used in such a particular place only. And in the portable tools, you can use it whether you whether where you are in our ship. First, we will discuss about hand tools. The first example is the hammer.
Hammers. A hammer is usually where blows to an object as spanner, straightening metal plates, etc. Different types are available depending on the kind of jobs to do. For example, delivering light blows to machine parts, rubber, plastic, tin and brass hammer is used. For pounding nails and extricating it, the claw hammer is used. For making sound inspection of joints such as bolts and nuts, pin hammer or what commonly called inspection hammer is used. Ball peen hammer is very common tool in repairing works anywhere in the ship and in the workshop.
Ayan, ang bolt cutter, used cutting small diameters, rods, or bolts with a straight blade and cable or wire rope. Yun, cutter is used for cutting steel wire ropes with curved blades. Pwede itong gamitin sa mga wire ropes natin kung kinakailangan putulin is bolt cutter ang gagamitin natin pang putol. The seaman's knife. Seaman's knife is used to cut large ropes and you can drive the knife into the rope to sever it. This type of knife is often called a rescue knife and it's considered an essential part of emergency gear. The handles of the rescue knife are easy to grip when your hands are cold and wet or you are wearing gloves. Minsan ginagamit nga ito dun sa pag naglalashing ka ng mga malalaking ropes dahil hindi mo mahirap siyang busalsalin or buktatin yung malalaking ropes. Ayan. And kung iba na masasakit sa kamay, ginagamitan natin ito.
Next is the scissor or tin snips. It is used for cutting material with a slight force. For the next topic, we will discuss about the power tools. For the power tools, the first example is bench grinder.
Bench grinder. It is kasama ito sa maintenance tools kasi dito ka nag-sharp or nag-grind ng mga ibang tools like cutter, scissors, ganun. And ang bench grinder is a machine that drives an abrasive wheel or may be used for sharpening tools such as for the light machine and drill or shaping work materials. A wire brush or bobbin wheels are often mounted in one side in a place of grinding wheel and used to clean or polish work pieces. Ayun, nagpapolish siya and as well nag-grind siya. Ayun, electric drill. A power drill is a tool with electrical motor that rotates a replaceable drill bit at your choice of speed to create a hole. Minsan ginagamit din to sa barko as pang buff or pang tanggal ng mga paint. Yung ginagawa nila is nilalagyan nila ng pantanggal ng paint yung barena, then binabarena lang nila. Ayan, or yung electric drill.
So next is the portable grinder, which is you can use it by the use of your hand and make a surface to be flattened or more smoother when you are doing chipping or removing some rust or paint in our ship. Last but not the least are the maintenance tools that are used in chipping, like what I said before or a while ago. Chipping is the procedure of removing some rust that made by sea water and removing some paint that are already entered by some moist that can cause of having a rust of our steels in our ship. And to protect it, we will put some paint after we do the procedure of chipping. First, we will use the scraper, where you can scrape or remove the paints that are already affected by the weather or by the water. And after you use the scraper, you will brush it by the wire brush, or what we call steel brush, and to make it flatten, we will use grinder. And after we grind the floor or steel that is part of the ship, we will wash it again and put primer until the surface will flatten or make the same level by the other parts. And after you put the right amount of primer, we will put the paint that will protect our steels of that is part of our ship. And that is all for our topic, and thank you for watching.